My name is Rick, and I am living with complex Parkinson's.
And I'm Lynn, Rick's wife.
Complex Parkinson's can mean different things to everyone, as everyone's experience is unique. For me, living with complex Parkinson's means that my body doesn't work the way it used to. It can also mean that your symptoms are getting worse. Determined to lead an active life with Parkinson's after retiring, I found that exercise has a positive impact on managing Parkinson's day-to-day challenges, so I joined a dance group.
We also helped develop groups where people with Parkinson's could come together to enjoy these activities and organise occasional outings to the local seaside. The social aspect of these gatherings was just as important as the physical benefits. We speak to people and they say, "Well, I don't go out as much because people stare at me because of my Parkinson's." We wanted to stop their worlds becoming smaller.
Exercise has become intertwined with my well-being, and I notice that even my digestion suffers if I'm not physically active.
Despite the realities of Parkinson's and its progression, we choose to focus on the positive aspects, no matter how small they may seem.
My advice would be, when you notice that your body might not seem to be working as well as it was, share this with your doctor or nurse as early as you can to ensure that you get timely advice. I recently discussed a physiotherapist referral with my doctor to look at how I prevent falls.
We often use a checklist to start these conversations and make sure we cover various aspects that we may have noticed, such as changes in mood, difficulties with balance or memory, and more. Parkinson's UK have a checklist available, as do other support groups.
Every person's experience of Parkinson's is different. If your life is being impacted, it's important to talk about it with your doctor or nurse in a timely manner to get the help you need. There are different specialists in the multidisciplinary team who may be able to help you with your specific needs.